Okay, good day. So, for our BSE and BSE first year, uh, who are enrolled in BEM 103 Calculus 1. Okay, so this topic class is for plate number 7, number 8, no? Plate number 8, derivatives of trigonometric function. So, there are 6 trigonometric function, no? Sine, cosine, and tangent. Yung ang cosecant, secant, and cotangent, that is only the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent. So, derivatives of trigonometric function. Dapat na memorize natin, no? The derivative of sine x is cosine x, derivative of cosine x, negative sine x, derivative of tangent x, secant square x, derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant x, cotangent x, derivative of secant x, secant x tangent x, derivative of cotangent x is equals to negative cosecant square x. Okay, so let's go to example number 1. Okay, find the derivative of f of x equals x square sine x. So, okay, so i-change natin muna, no, into y para di na magulo. Y is equals to x square sine x. Yan. Okay, so our variables class, ang variables natin is y and x. Okay, so the derivative of y, of course, y. So, ang x natin dito ay nasa x square ito, and the other one is this one, no, sine x. So, the operation, makikita natin class, dalawa yung x, no? Isa ito x square, the other one is sine x. So, the operation between x square and sine x is multiplication. Okay, so we have to use product rule. Na-follow? Dalawa kasi dito ang x, no? Isa is x square, the other one is sine x. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang operation between x square and the sine x. So, of course, multiplication yan, di ba? So, parang x square times sine x. So, we have to use product rule to solve for dy over dx. Okay? So, using implicit again, the derivative of y is dy. Okay? So, using, using product rule. Yan. Using product rule, okay, copy x square, then the derivative of sine x. Ano ba ang derivative ng sine x? Derivative of sine x is cosine x. Okay, so you have to memorize this one, cosine x. Yan. Then the derivative of x is dx times. Okay? Yan. And plus, no? Kasi product rule nga. Plus what? Okay. Next one is sine x. No? Kopyahin natin ang sine x. Then the derivative of x square, this one. The derivative of x square is 2x dx. Can you follow? Okay, 2x. Then derivative of x, of course, dx. Okay, so ayusin natin, no? Okay, dy is equals to x square, no? X square cosine x dx. You cannot multiply this one, no? You cannot multiply x square and this x, no? So remains siya x square cosine x plus 2x, no? Sine x. Yan, dx. Okay? So again, you cannot multiply this x to sa x na to. You cannot. So okay, so 2x sine x. So since we are looking class for dy over dx, okay, so we have to factor out, no? Dy is equals to, ano ba ang common dito class? Ang common ay dx. Okay, pwede na, no? And then remain dito ang x square, then cosine x plus 2x sine x. Yan. Okay, so again, counter check, dx times x square cosine x is x square cosine x dx plus, no? Plus yan, then dx times sine x, dx times 2x sine x is 2x sine x dx. So since we are looking for dy over dx, we will just divide this one by dx, both side. Yan, so we can cancel out dx. Okay, cancel out dx. Okay, so our dy over dx, di ba? Our dy over dx is equals to x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x. Okay? Ayan. Next, example. This one, no? f of x equals x cosine x plus 2 tangent x. So, again, palitan natin ang f of x into y. Okay, x cosine x plus 2 tangent x. Yan. So, to solve for dy over dx, so tinan mo muna ang given equation. Derivative of y is dy dito. No, dalawa ang variable x natin. Isang x na to, then the other one is nasa cosine x. So, the operation between x and cosine x is multiplication. So, sa part na to, class, we will use product rule. Okay? Ito walang problema, no? Isa lang variable x, which is tangent x. So, sa part na to, we have to use product rule. Okay? So, derivative of y is dy. Derivative of x cosine x, kopya muna ang x. Lagyan ko, no? Yan. Kopya muna ng x. Ang x, then, what is the derivative of cosine x? Saan ba? Okay, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x, di ba? Okay. So, derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Close. Then derivative of x is dx. And then plus. Kasi nga, product rule, no? Ang sa part na x cosine x. The other one, next one is copy cosine x times the derivative of x. What is the derivative of x? Dx, no? Yan. Then close. So, yan ang, eto class, eto ang derivative ng x cosine x. Plus, no? May plus yan. What is the derivative of 2 tangent x? O, copy constant 2 times what is the derivative of tangent x? Tingnan natin daw. Okay, derivative of tangent x is secant square x. Okay? So, derivative of tangent x is secant square x times the derivative of x is the derivative of x, di ba? That is dx. Okay? So, ayusin natin, no? dy, tanggalin natin ang mga braces, no? dy is equals to, how much is this one? Ito, lagyan ko ng red mark. Ito, that is negative, no? Negative times, that is negative x, no? Negative x sin x, tama na. Yan. Then dx. Okay, plus cosine x dx, tama na. Yan, plus 2 secant square x dx. So, since we are looking for dy over dx, mangyari, we have to factor out yung factor out natin class ang dx. Okay? So, ang naiwan dito is x sin x. Right? Plus cosine x plus 2 secant square x. Okay. So, yan. Then, that's the time. We can divide this one by dx. Yan, both side. Now, our target is to solve for dy over dx. So, cancel out ang dx. And then, our dy over dx. Dy over dx is equals to negative x sin x. Yan. Plus cosine x plus 2 secant square x. Okay. Yan. Okay, another example. Next, yan. Okay. So, f of x, which is y, is equals to 2 secant x minus cosecant x. Yan. Okay, so mas madali yung ganito, no? Mag-isa lang ang x. So, we will not anymore use product rule dito, no? Ito, wala din. So, the derivative of y is dy. Okay, copy constant 2. What is the derivative of secant x? Preview secant x. Ano ang derivative ng secant x? Okay, secant x tangent x, no? secant x, sorry, derivative of secant x is secant x tangent x, then the derivative of x is dx. May smile, no? Minus, what is the derivative of cosecant x? Tingnan natin ang kodigo natin. Derivative of cosecant x, derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant cotangent. Okay, sana ba yun? Okay, lagyan ko, no? Negative cosecant x cotangent x, then derivative of x is dx. Okay, so ayusin natin. Dy is equals to 2, no? 2 secant x tangent x dx, o negative, no? Negative times negative is positive. Positive what? Positive cosecant x, sorry, cosecant x cotangent x dx. So factor out, no? We are looking for dy over dx, so we have to factor out dx. Dy is equals to, and factor out dx. So ang naiwan dito, class, is 2 secant x tangent x plus cosecant x cotangent x, right? Again, we will divide this one by dx, to solve for dy over dx. Divide both side by over dx, by dx. So cancel out ang dx. Okay, so our dy over dx, dy over dx is equals to 2 secant x tangent x plus cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, next. Ayan. Okay, so paano ba natin gawin ito? G of x is equals to e over x, e to the power of x times tangent x minus x. Okay, ang explain ko lang muna ito, class. Ang ibig sabihin ng tangent x minus x is just the same as negative x, no, plus tangent x. Okay, iba din yung ganito, no, tangent x and minus x. Oh, sorry. Okay, iba din, no. So basta ang ibig sabihin ng tangent x minus x is just the same as negative x plus tangent x. So ano ba ang gawin natin dito? Okay, so we will substitute muna, no? Y is equals to ex, then tangent x minus x. Okay, so the operation, walang problema sa y, no? Problema tayo sa x. May x dito, no, sa e, and then the other one dito. So the operation between ex, e to the power of x, and tangent x minus x is multiplication. Okay, so we will use product rule. No choice tayo, we will use product rule. So derivative of y is dy, derivative of this one, copy ex, then times the derivative of tangent x minus x. What is the derivative of tangent x? Previous. Derivative of second, the derivative of tangent x is secant square x. Okay, so secant square x. Okay, derivative of x is dx. Follow? Minus the derivative of x. Derivative of x is dx. Yeah. And close. Plus, no, copy tangent x minus x times the derivative of ex. So ano ba ang derivative ng ex? Kopyahin lang ang ex, then the derivative of this one, yung exponent niya is dx, di ba? Ilagay lang dito ang dx. Okay, so mangyari, paano ba natin i-simplify ito? Okay, so dy is equals to, okay, pwede natin, class, no, pwede natin ipasok dito pwede natin distribute ang ex, no, that is ex secant square x dx. Tama na. Okay, the other one is ex times negative dx. So negative, no? Negative ex dx. Alright. Plus what? Okay. Plus tangent x, no? Okay, distribute natin, no? I-distribute natin ito. Sige daw. Ex tangent x dx minus, okay, minus ex times x is x, no? Unahin natin muna ang x, ex dx. Okay? So, ang common dito, class, is lahat may e, no? Sige. We have to factor out ex and dx. Okay, factor out natin ang ex and dx. So, our dy, dy is equals to, we can factor out ex and dx, diba? Common. So, anong naiwan dito, class? Ang naiwan dyan is secant square. Diba? Secant square x. Ano ang naiwan dito? Minus 1. And then, okay. So, next one is tangent, no? Plus tangent x. Dito, no? We have to factor out ex and dx. So, ang naiwan is tangent x. Then minus what? Minus x na lang, no? Kasi na-factor out ng ex dx. Okay? So again, now we are looking for dy over dx. We will just divide this one by dx. Both side by dx. Okay, we can cancel out. Yan. So our dy over dx is equals to ang naiwan na lang dito is secant square x, no? Minus 1 plus tangent x minus x. Okay? Tingnan natin daw, class, ano ang equivalent ng sa trigonometric function or identities. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng, ano ang equivalent ng secant square x minus 1? I-google natin muna, no? Try. Wait lang, no? And then secant square x minus 1. Tingnan daw natin kung anong equivalent. Alright. Kalimutan na. Secant square 2x man ito. You see this one? Okay, this one, no? Yan. Ang 1 minus secant square is equals to negative tangent square x. So, meron pa ba iba? Okay, class, no? So, sa identities, ang 1 minus secant square x equals tangent square x. Balik tayo dito. Ang 1 minus, i-read ko lang, no? Ang kanina, so we try to simplify this answer, no? We try to simplify this answer. Ang kanina, class, is 1 minus secant square, this one, no? This one, no? Ang 1 minus secant square x equals negative tangent square x. Identities, 1 minus secant square x is equals to negative tangent x. So I will multiply this one by negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1, di ba? Negative 1 times negative secant square is positive secant square x. Then negative tangent times negative 1 is positive tangent x. So i-rearrange ko. Okay, so this will be, unahin ko muna ang positive secant square, that is secant square x na minus 1, diba? Minus 1 man yan. Okay, so minus 1 equals tangent x. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin class na secant square x minus 1 is tangent x. So, ayusin natin yung answer natin ha. dy over dx, diba? dy over dx, palitan ko ng green. Okay, so dy over dx is equals to, okay, so ang secant square x minus 1 class is tangent x, positive, no? So tangent x, di ba? Plus tangent x minus x. Again, okay, we can combine like terms. dy over dx is equals to tangent x plus tangent x is 2 tangent x minus x. Okay, ayan, no? Your dy over dx is equals to 2 tangent x minus x. Okay, so dapat may knowledge tayo sa identities, no, in derivatives of trigonometric function. Next example. Ayan. Okay, so y equals cotangent t over e to the power of t. So you look at the given equation, no? Mayroon tayong variable t dito, then the other one dito class. So that is division. No? Ang operation between cotangent t and e to the power of t is division. No? So we have to use quotient rule. Right? We have to use quotient rule. Pwede ko na i-diretso nito class, no? Derivative of y with respect to t is dy over dt. Yan. Yan. Equals, di ba pag quotient rule, lagyan ko ng QR, no? Quotient rule. You have to square. Yan. Okay? And then copy et and then times the derivative of cotangent t. Ano ang derivative ng cotangent t? Previous. Derivative of cotangent t class is negative cosecant square. Okay? Negative cosecant square t. Right? And then minus copy cotangent t times the derivative of et. No, this one, no? Derivative of et, ito, or ito. Derivative of et, copy et, no? Copy et to the power of t, and then the derivative of t is dt, nandito na ang dt natin, so ang naiwan na lang dito, class is 1 times 1. Alright? So tapos na ang derivative, now we have to simplify. How will you simplify? Okay, so dy over dt is equals to et square is e to t. Diba? Et square is e to t. Okay? So, next is this one. That is negative, no? Positive times negative is negative. Negative cosecant square t. Usin natin. Et, no? Minus, yan, minus cotangent t and et. Okay, so we have to factor out ang et, no, so that we can cancel out. Okay, so dy over dt is equals to, sa baba ay e to t, and then factor out et. So ang naiwan dito class, at if you try negative, no, negative, so ang naman dito is positive cosecant square t, diba? And of course plus cotangent t, then you close. Okay, so we will counter check. Negative times positive is negative, this one, no? Negative times ito, negative din. Negative times positive cotangent, that is negative cotangent t et. So we can cancel out, no? We can cancel out. Mayroon pa tayong isang et na iwan sa baba. Okay? So our dy over dt is equals to et negative, pwede na ganito, no? Okay, et, no, ang naiwan dito. Then yung negative na to, lagay ko na lang dito. Yan, then unahin ko na lang ang cotangent, pareho lang, no? Cotangent t plus cosecant square t. Okay, pwede na, no? Yan. Ano ang cosecant square t? Ano class ang cosecant square t? I-try daw. Meron ba dito? Trigonometric identity. Search daw natin. Identities. I'm sorry. Trigonometric identities. Ito to. Saan na yun? Okay. Ano ba ang ito, no? Cosecant square t. Tingnan natin kung ano ang cosecant square t. Cosecant ito. Cosecant square t. Okay, nakita nyo, no? This one, no? Cosecant square t is 1 plus cotangent square. Pwede ba natin? Okay. Cosecant square t, no? Sa trigonometric identities, ang cosecant square t is equals to what? 1 plus cotangent square. Wala naman tayo makakancel out, no? 1 plus cotangent square t. So mangyari, ang dy over dt mo, no? dy over dt is equals to negative, no? Then et. Yan. Then of course cotangent t. Yan. Then plus ang cosecant square t is 1 plus cotangent square t. Wala naman tayo ma-cancel out, no? We cannot combine. Alright. So, I think pwede na ganito, no? Pwede na ganito. Wala lang kasi answer key. Okay? So, yan. dy over dt is equals to negative cotangent t plus cosecant square t over e to the power of t. Okay, next example. This one, no? Okay, so pwede palitan ko na lang, no? Mahirap gumawa ng sige, theta. G, no? G is equals to sine theta cosine theta. Okay, so the variables ay g pati ang theta. So dalawa yung theta natin, yung isa nasa sine, the other one is nasa cosine. So the operation between sine and cosine is multiplication. So we have to use product rule, right? So implicit tayo, no? Derivative of g, para ma-practice tayo sa using implicit. Derivative of g is dg equals, okay, copy sine t. Then derivative of cosine t. Ano ang derivative ng cosine t? Saan ba yun? Derivative ng cosine t is negative sine t. Alright? Negative sine theta. Derivative of cosine theta is negative sine theta. Derivative of theta is d theta. Alright? Yan. Plus, copy cosine theta. Then the derivative of sine theta. Positive cosine ba yun? Okay, the derivative of sine theta is positive cosine theta. Yan. Then, derivative of theta is d theta. Okay. So, ayusin natin. dy is equals to, pwede, unahin ko na lang ito, no? Kasi positive, no? Cosine times cosine. Cosine theta times cosine theta is cosine square theta. And then, d theta. Right? And then, positive times negative is negative, no? Sine theta times sine theta is sine square theta d theta. So since we are looking class for dy over d theta, okay, so our dy is equals to, factor out natin class ang d theta. So ang naiwan dito ay cosine square theta minus sine square theta. So over d theta, yan, d theta, and then cancel out. Okay, so our dy over d theta, dg, no, g pala ito. Our dg over d theta is equals to cosine square theta minus sine square theta. So tingnan natin ang sa trigo function identities kung meron ba. Where is it? Ito. Ito. Okay. Saan ba yun? Meron yun, no? Ito. Ang sine square, di ba? Ito to. This one. Ang sine square plus cosine square theta is equals to 1. Pwede ba? Again, ang identities, no? Or oops, sorry. Identities. Okay, ang identities na cosine square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. Alright. Meron pa ba iba? Tingnan daw natin kung oops. Okay. So, paano natin gawin class, no? Paano natin gawin ang using this one, no? Ang sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cosine square theta. Okay, so we will just substitute it. Oops. Okay, so ang sine square, no? Ang sine square theta equals 1 minus cosine square theta. So our dg over d theta is equals to, pareho lang na, wala naman tayo mag-cancel out, minus yan. Ang sine square theta is 1 minus cosine square. Okay, so yan, dg over d theta is equals to cosine square theta minus 1 plus cosine square theta. So our dg, we can combine like terms. Our dg over d theta is equals to like terms, cosine square plus cosine square, that is 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Right? So tinanong natin kung mayroong identities. 2 cosine square half an angle. Okay. Square, wala din naman, no? Identities. Yan. Okay. So, pwede na ganito, no? Ang dg natin, dg over d theta is 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Okay? If